Q1S electromagnetic rowing machine by MERACH is created to help to reach your fitness goals. Enjoy a variety of free trainer-led exercise classes, scenic rowing modes, and personalize your fitness program. MERACH proprietary auto follow tech automatically synchronizes with the coach's course resistance. Free your hands and focus on workouts. Set, track, and monitor your progress. Combine calorie-burning cardio with low-impact resistance exercises. Enjoy non-slip pedals and silicone handle, soft and breathable cushioning saddle. Double Track Rower achieves smooth, stable sliding. MERACH rowing machine can be easily moved with a transportation wheels design. Maintain your body with Q1S electromagnetic rowing machine.
Introducing the RW5515 magnetic rowing machine. Engineered to redefine your workout experience, break the boundaries, and reach new heights. Experience freedom with our extra long slide rail, designed to accommodate your full stretch and offer fluid, smooth motion. Engage in a full body transformation and target over 80% of your muscle groups. Now, every stroke counts. Enjoy the sound of silence with our ultra-quiet magnetic resistance. Focus on what matters most, your workout. Experience low-impact workouts with high seat clearance, safeguarding your joints and providing a comfortable rowing experience. Your progress all tracked on our digital monitor. Record your speed, time, strokes, and distance. When you're done, just fold it. Easy storage lets you reclaim your space within seconds. The RW5515 magnetic rowing machine. It's more than just a workout. It's a commitment to your best self.
Rowing is a functional exercise that is easy to learn. Proper technique can help you get the most out of your workout. At the catch, the body is in a powerful but relaxed position. Sit up tall with shoulders in front of the hips. Shins are vertical. Head, neck, and shoulders are relaxed. Arms are long and grip is loose. The drive starts with a push of the legs, not a pull of the arms. To initiate the movement with your legs, drive the heels into the foot stretcher and push the machine away. Swing the body by opening from the hips. The seat and the handle should move simultaneously until the legs are fully extended. You pull with your arms only after your hands clear your knees. At the finish of each stroke, the core is engaged. The handle is pulled in below your rib cage, wrists are flat. The arms move first, then the body swings forward, then the legs. The body stays still once the hips hinge. When you return to the catch, you need to change direction quickly to accelerate the flywheel again. Blending together all the movements creates a smooth, powerful, and continuous stroke. The sequence continues with legs, back, arms, then arms, back, legs. Remember to push hard with the legs on the drive and relax on each recovery.
Push yourself with a full body workout with the Synergy Power Motion Rower by Sunny Health and Fitness. Strap in and grasp the handlebar as you row towards your fitness goals. An ergonomic seat and pivoting foot plates keep you comfortable and stable as you engage your legs while gliding along the 43-inch slide rail. Instantly keep track of your progress with the onboard digital monitor. Stay connected with your favorite media with an integrated device holder. Truly push yourself with 16 levels of magnetic tension. When you're done, move the product with ease and fold it for simple storage. Become better, faster, stronger with the Synergy Power Motion Rower.
Are you ready? Ready to go? Are you ready? Ready lights on the cards. Oh my, gonna spin the wheel, cash it in and roll the dice.